Take a ride in the 2023 Soul. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.